welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on these lashes right here. They are magnetic. I have never tried them before. This is the first time, and I actually think they look pretty good. They are a lot fuller than I thought they were going to be, and they're a lot more glamorous than I thought. I really didn't go in with too many expectations, but if you want to see some tips and tricks on how to put these on and my full review on them, go ahead and just keep on watching. So first off, the brand that I am demonstrating today is Bellechole, and they sent me two very nice containers full of lashes. There's one pair in each case, and they come with the top long lash, and it's actually a strip lash with 3 magnetic strips on it, and the underneath you put on the little pieces, which are individual pieces, and there's 3 of them, and they have little magnets on them as well. You will go ahead and they actually sent me the double demi wispies, which is what I have on now, and then more of the natural ones, I believe. They also have like 4 or 5 other long ones. They've got ones that are more fancy. They've got more full ones. They've got so many that you can pick from. The website is very full of different styles, which is wonderful, but the case and the product is really cool. And the case itself, hopefully you can see that they have labeled where the strip lashes go, the left and the right, and then the bottom pieces they have labeled as well. Then they also send you an amazing little doohickey here. It's kind of like tweezers to help you put the lashes on. And I love this because this case on the bottom is magnetic, and all of the lash pieces, so that you don't lose any of them, actually stick to this case. And I mean, I swear this case is really, really nice, and the product inside actually works pretty well. I have never put them on before. I've never tried magnetic lashes. I've heard so much about them, and these ones were sent to me, and I wanted to test them out because, you know, that's what we do around here. I try things out so you don't have to. But yeah, I'm very impressed, and quite honestly, the feeling of them, they're not tugging on my lashes, they are not poking me. It doesn't feel like I've got too much on other than what I would have had on anyway if I was wearing regular lashes. They're a little bit fuller than what I'm used to. I'm pretty natural these days. I used to wear those crazy glam lashes, but I've kind of grown out of that in my old age, but I'm more on the natural side. But the funny thing is they're kind of growing on me. When I first put them on, which you'll see in the demonstration, I don't know, I wasn't feeling it, and then, you know, I wore them for a little while, and they're looking pretty good, pretty damn good. I'm impressed. So let's go ahead and just hop into the demonstration. Okay, so I have all of my makeup done, as you can see here, looking nice, but I have no lashes on. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go by this little card right here. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. And I'm gonna do the double demi wispies, which is what I was sent from Bellechole, like that. And we are going to try to put these bad boys on. Let's see how we do. This is the first time I'm doing magnetic lashes, so bear with me. I'm going to zoom you in as much as possible so you can really see what I'm doing. And if I poke my eye out, it'll be on camera. So they did send me this little tool that's going to help me put these on. And I think with the little pieces, the best thing to do is to get a really nice pair of tweezers. Let's go ahead and roll them a little. Easy. Okay. Okay, we're getting this slowly. I look crazy, but that's all right. There we go. Okay, now we'll do the middle one. Again, I'm going to push them into the lash line just a little bit. But this one looks good. if you are interested in these, they actually go on quite easy. It only took me about 12-15 minutes to kind of get the hang of it. It was my very first time. I'm sure once I get the hang of it even more, it would definitely be faster. And I mean, it does definitely give you a huge, bold look if you're looking for big lashes. So yeah, not so bad. Might rock them for a while and see how I feel. I'm crazy impressed, considering I thought that they were going to hurt. I thought it was going to pull on my lashes, and they don't. And Bellechole makes actually a really great product. They have the ones that I have on, which are the double dummies. These ones are the more natural ones. Hopefully you can see that. And they have super fancy ones. I mean, they've got all sorts of different ones. I'll link all their information down below for you. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other recommendations of things I should try, please let me know in the comments below. Again, I will put all of their information down in the description box. I love you guys. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.